Dear aspirants, I will go for some of the basic math questions which comes under mathematical reasoning itself. So today I am just going to solve totally 4 problems. Question number 1. Saurav spends 20% of his monthly salary on house rent, 25% on the food, 10% on transportation, 15% on education of the children, 18% on household expenses. He saves the remaining amount of 4,800. What is his monthly salary? Majority of the questions which I am solving here are related to proportionate and percentages. Here they asked about what is his monthly salary, correct? So they have asked about his monthly salary and what is his expenses, as they have mentioned. 20% he has spent, 25% he has spent, total will be 45% plus 10% he has spent. It will be 55% plus 15% also he has spent. So that will become 70% plus 18% he has spent. So total will be 88%. And how much is remaining? That is 12% is the savings, and they have given this 12% is equal to 4,800. So what we need? We need the total salary, total monthly salary. So that is why we need the 100%. You can go for the cross multiplication here and you will get the answer. This calculation will come like 4,800 divided by 12 into 100. So 12 ones are 12, 4s are, so it will become 40,000 rupees. So 40,000 rupees is your answer. So I'll go for the next question directly. Gaurav spends 40% of the amount he receives from his father on hostel expenses, 20% on the books and stationery, and 50% of the remaining on transport. He saves 450, which is half of the remaining amount after spending the hostel expenses, books and stationery, and the transport. So how to solve this? This is a little bit tricky question. How much he has spent? He has spent 40% on hostel expenses. Then after he spent 20% on books and stationery, the total will become 60%. So he has said 60%. Then after they have given and 50% of the remaining on the transport. So 50% of remaining is the 60%, 50% of the remaining will be 30%. This is on the transport. So how much is done right now? So 90% of the amount which he received from his father is, he saves 450 rupees, which is half of the remaining amount. How much is the remaining amount? Remaining is just 10. Okay, so how 10, 100 minus 90 will be just 10. Half of the 10 is 5%. So what is asked? How much money did he received from his father? So from this, what we understood is 450 is 50% of the remaining. So how much is remaining? 10% is remaining. So 10 by 2 will be 5%. So 450 is 5%, and what we need is 100%, right? So how much amount he did got from his father? So the calculation will be 450 divided by 5 into 100. So we know 5 nines are 45. So he has got rupees 9,000 from his father. So very simple calculation. Let me go for question number 3. The price of the car is 5 lakh. It was insured for 90% of its price. The car was completely damaged in an accident, and the insurance company paid only 80% of the insured amount. So how much is the insured amount? 90% of the 5 lakh will be 4,50,000 is the insured amount. So the insurance company has given a compensation of 80%. Okay, so 80% of the 4,50,000 will become 3,60,000. So what is asked? It is the difference between price of the car and the amount of the insurance received. So amount of the insurance received is 3,60,000. The price of the car is 50,000. The difference between these two is 1,40,000. So this should be our answer. Let's go for the last question of today. This is the election type of the problem. In the election between the two candidates, a winner secured 58% of the total votes and wins by a margin of 2,400 votes. How many votes did loser got? Okay, so first of all, we here assume that there is only two candidates. That is why winner secured 58% and remaining is secured by 42%. So what is asked? How much votes did the loser got? Right? So how much votes did the loser got is asked. So what is given there is nothing but a winning margin. Correct? Winning margin. So what is winning margin here? 58% minus 62% is 16%. So 16% is treated as 2,400. But what is asked? How many votes did loser got? So loser's proportionate is already, we know it is 42%. So how much is the 42%? We are going to calculate and we will get our answer. So the calculation will be 24 by 16 into 42. You know, 8 2s are 8 3s are 2 1s are 2, 21s are, so 21 into 3 will be, it is 60. 3. So obviously 2 zeros are there. So 6300 votes a loser has got. So that's it for today. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest videos. Thank you for watching.